Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about changing the font and display size of icons on your Google Pixel smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just swipe up on your home screen and select the settings button. Should be a little circle with a gear icon in the center of it. Go ahead and select that and then scroll down and select where it says display and touch. And now go down under appearance and select display size and text. And now there should be a couple options up here at the top to adjust the font and display size. Both of them are separate settings here. Adjust them left or right depending on your preference. And then once you're done making that selection change, you can just click the back arrow up at the top and you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.